How to get 4K on Roku TV. To enable 4K streaming on your Roku TV, follow these steps. Verify 4K compatibility. Ensure your Roku TV supports 4K resolution. Most Roku TVs with a native resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels is 4K compatible. Use the correct HDMI port and cable connect your Roku device to an HDMI port that supports HDCP 2.22 using a premium or ultra-high-speed HDMI cable. Adjust display settings, navigate to Settings, then Display Type on your Roku TV and select Auto Detect, or manually choose 4K UHD TV to match your TV's capabilities. Ensure a stable internet connection. A minimum internet speed of 25 megabits per second is recommended for 4K streaming. Subscribe to 4K streaming plans. Some streaming services require premium subscriptions for 4K content. Verify your plan includes 4K streaming. Optimize picture settings. Adjust picture settings by going to Settings, then TV picture settings and selecting modes like Movie or Standard for better color accuracy. Regularly update your Roku TV. Keep your Roku TV software up to date by navigating to Settings, then System, then Software Update and checking for updates. Thanks for watching.